Hello, this is Ethan from ISE 2025. This is our IQVideo booth. IQVideo offers a wide range of lecture capture system options for class recording and live streaming. IQVideo core product is the video station. First is the LCS 630, which is an entry-level capture system for daily class recording. It equips with a camera and abundant interfaces on the rear side of the LCS 630. Next is the LCS 710, which is equipped with a 13.3-inch touch panel for one-touch recording and live streaming. A total of 5 screens can be viewed from the main unit. Next is the LCS 810, IQVideo latest flagship model, which features a larger panel, more interfaces, and 6 screens for a more detailed presentation of the lesson. Here is IQVideo's auto-tracking camera. CV210 is an EPTZ camera, and CV870 Pro is a PTZ camera. Here is the IQVideo ceiling microphone area. We offer 2 ceiling microphone options for diverse classroom size needs. For more information about IQVideo, please contact us at www.iqboard.net.